if we were to maintain regulatory alignment, then the difficulty third countries would face is that their imports to us would still be effectively bound by all the EU standards and all the obstacles to trade that there are from third countries with the EU, and therefore the benefits of free trade and being outside the customs union would be lost to us, and we would be a Norwegian-style rule taker.
Yes, of course, there might still be benefits from having lower duties, if we're talking about a free trade agreement like with the EEA countries. But of course, you're quite right, the benefits of accessing a more deregulated market would disappear because the rules would be the same.
And the biggest advantages potentially come from removing non-tariff rather than tariff barriers, because average EU tariff barriers are actually relatively low even now. And we discussed it actually in relation to Canada last week, and the REACH regulations, that the tariffs on chemical products under CETA have gone, but that the chemicals still have to be registered with REACH, which is a big barrier when Canada's got absolutely first world copper-bottomed proper standards, because Canada is a very safe market, and say that REACH becomes a non-tariff barrier to protect EU businesses.
That's absolutely right. You could say the same about SPS standards, health and safety on food, which are often, particularly when it comes to conformity assessment, fairly high, those barriers into the EU.